Hey guys, it's Matt here on a beautiful Saturday. I'm out here with the A6 Intruder. My park is, it's playing soccer now, so I'm out here at a different area. This is it's a wide street for a runway, so I gotta make sure my jet's going straight so I can take off and fly it out here today. If I can keep everything in the pictures. A little bit of a crosswind. Actually, pretty nice. And crosswind's going that way, this way. If you can see that. Got to make sure I'm trimmed. Because I fly off the grass. And the grass is never perfectly straight like the road. Yeah, see, it needs to go that way little. Actually, quite a bit. Okay, it wants to go that way, so oops. I think we're going straight now. That looks pretty good. Alright, I wonder if I should do takeoff flaps. I usually don't. Don't know. I guess I'll try. Little takeoff flaps. I usually don't, but get the landing gear up. Fly over this soft field. It's actually pretty nice. It's I don't know what they're growing there, but I'm sure it's good for if I had a little bit of an accident. I like that the sun's not out today. I hope I didn't just look up. I always do that. Half throttle. This is really the A6 Intruder by FreeWing. If you guys like something that's fun to fly, it's fairly fast. It has to spool up to get going, but it does get around. I'm at about half throttle. I hope I'm keeping everybody in the screen here. And I think, like they say, you get about 3 to 4 minutes with this jet. And you kind of got to be wary of this with these, because it is pretty accurate. Okay, I'm going to bring it around and land it. and slow down. I probably should have gone this way. I hope I didn't bust anything, but yeah, it's just going too fast, and it hopped up in the wind. Yeah, got away. That's with a hard pack and you're used to grass. Darn it. Yeah, hope I didn't break anything. You know, it came in pretty hard. Canopy came off. I should have put full flap. Now this, of course, the wind kicks up, and that's kind of, you know, usually the scenario. Let's see here. I'm gonna look underneath. Yeah. There's a lot of dirt in there. Boy. Well, it didn't damage anything. I bent the scraped a little bit here. Easy fix. That's cleanup. No bent landing gear other than the front, but that's an easy fix. A little bit of nose scrapage, another easy fix. Lowe's paint, and look it over good. I just got away from me too fast on the landing. And these roll out, boy, they roll out pretty good. Boy, oh, it hit the landing gear right there. I don't know if you guys can, hopefully you can see that, but yeah, she's all right. Totally fixable, everything. Just a little minor dap and paint, you know. That's the nice thing about Lowe's. They'll match the paint for these, and it matches perfect. So, yeah, terrible landing, Matt. Gotta work on my, should have gone the other way. The wind is going that way kind of now, and it seems like it. Yeah, she's all right. I hate doing that landing gear thing. You know, I gotta take the screws out, and there's the little post in the front. They just bend slightly, and it's like each time, so you have to take it out and bend it back, and it'll be all right. It was because I hit the dirt over there. I just could have kept it on the road, but I haven't flown on the road. So anyways, Matt here, flying the A6 Intruder. We'll catch you later. I'll fly again later when the soccer field's open. I'm just so used to the grass. Catch you later, guys. Bye.